Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to record your screen with the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max or 16 Plus. So for this, you have to go into the control center, press this button, and it counts to 3 and it's going to start recording your screen. Whatever you do on the screen, it will save it to the photos. From here, from this button, you stop the recording, go and view it. But of course, you will have no voice. So if you wanna have voice, what you have to do is go press on the button long, and here you have the mic option. So if you activate the microphone and start recording, let's see what will happen. So it started to record now, and we're going to test the microphone now. We stop the video, go here, and we're going to test happen for now. And as you can see, it uses the microphone as well this time. So to activate the microphone, press long on this button or to deactivate it. Otherwise, it will just record your screen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.